In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Figma. Let's dive right in and explore the world of text customization within this powerful design tool. To start editing text in Figma, the first step is to add some text to your canvas. You can do this by clicking on the text tool located at the bottom of the toolbar, or simply pressing the letter T on your keyboard. You'll notice an immediate change in your cursor, indicating that you are now in text mode and can start inputting your desired text. Feel free to type in any words or phrases that suit your current project needs. Once your text is placed, you'll find a plethora of editing options at your fingertips, visible on the right-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll see the core controls for adjusting and perfecting your text. One of the initial things you might want to tweak is the position or alignment of your text. Figma lets you easily adjust these settings to ensure your text is perfectly aligned within your design. Next, explore the layout options. Perhaps you need your text to flow in a certain way or fit within a specific space. Experiment with these settings to find what best matches your project's aesthetic. Moving on, you have the ability to modify the appearance of your text, which includes adjusting its opacity. Lowering the opacity can be particularly useful if you want to create a subtle watermark effect or layer text over other design elements without it overtaking them. If at any point you need to temporarily hide the text without deleting it, simply click on the eye icon next to your text layer. This feature is perfect for when you're building multiple layouts or want to preview your design without the distraction of text elements. Blend modes are another exciting tool at your disposal. By applying different blend modes, you can dramatically change how your text interacts with other colors and elements in your design, giving you creative freedom over the final outcome. Furthermore, you can change the font to one that better suits your theme or needs. Figma supports a wide range of font options, allowing you to experiment with different styles to find the perfect fit. Adjusting the size and color of your text is equally simple. Select the size that ensures readability and impact, and choose a color that complements your overall design scheme. These basic text modifications are crucial as they set the tone and accessibility for your entire design. That about wraps it up for editing text in Figma. I encourage you to explore these features and see how they can enhance your designs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on getting the most out of Figma. Thanks for watching.